Hi guys, so with Christmas just around the corner, at the start when I first got Buddy, I made a few homemade things. So I've made a video and I've put it together for you, and I hope you make some nice treats for your little birdies this Christmas. Thanks guys. Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing well and keeping safe out there. Today I just wanted to take you through some homemade bird treats. They're really easy to make. You just need birdseed, oats, honey, water, almond flour, and dried fruits. All you need to do is mix it all together into a bowl and roll it into small balls and cook it in the oven preheated at 180 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy this and make some for your little babies. Have a great day, guys, and take care. Hey guys, so today I went for a drive out to the pine forest so I could collect some pine cones for Buddy and take you guys through the process of cleaning pine cones so they're safe for your birds to chew and play with. So follow me through and I'll let you know how to do it. And hope you guys enjoy the little drive through the pine forest with me today. Hi guys, so today I just wanted to show you how to do pine cone bird feeders. So it's really easy. All you need is your pine cone, a piece of string, some peanut butter and some bird seed. So I hope you enjoy this and you can make some for your own little birdies. Buddy absolutely loves his and I hope your birds do too. Hey guys, hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Just wanted to take you through some jam bird cookies. They're really easy to make at home. There is only 4 ingredients: almond flour, almond butter, honey or maple syrup, jam, any flavour you like, and cook in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I hope your birds enjoy it and thank you for watching.